We went to UNESCO World Heritage Site in Japan. This is Shirakawago. Nung time na nagpunta kami, this was mid-October, nagsisimula pa lang mag-change yung color ng leaves. But if you go here during autumn na talaga, sobrang ganda daw. Makakakita ka ng 4 colors sa mga puno. Nag-stop over pala kami niyan to eat breakfast. Umalis kasi kami from the hotel before 7 a.m. Ito yung sa akin. And Sophie, croissant. And milk. Daddy's having sandwich. Where's my coffee? Ang ganda.
One thing, please, just go together.
Okay.
Last time there was an attack of the bear.
There's
She
a
went
bear.
very far. She went
Near the forest?
yes, where she should not be.
Oh no.
Bakit?
Did she
Now injured.
injured?
A lot of people died from bear
From the
attacks.
bear attack.
In Hokkaido, they killed one family of bear because it killed one family of people.
Oh no. So ayun, yung nagsasalita pala is our business friend Rio. He's a Japanese and alam nyo, dito ko talaga napatunayan na sobrang patient talaga ng mga Japanese and maintindihin. Kasama din pala niya si Dr. Aruna. So 2 car kami. Actually, we're also here sa Japan for a business trip. Sobrang dami din palang tourists dito. After dito pala mismo, pinagkaguluhan si Sophie. So, parang 3 family ng mga tourists din. Ask naman sila sa amin and inask ko si Sophie kung okay lang daw ba na picturean siya. So, ayun, hala, sige, nagpo-posing siya. Ang dami ko pala nakikitang photos nitong Shirakawago. Yung talagang covered siya sa snow and sobrang ganda lalo pag gabi. Actually, may mga day trip tours din dito via Klook. So, Shirakawago is located in Gifu and Toyama prefectures. We came from Gifu, but if you're coming from a different city like Nagoya, ino-offer silang day trip. Meron pa ako nakita from Osaka, pero 2 days siya. Which is, I think, for me, masulit yung mag-overnight or more than dito. So, itong water dito, pwede din daw siya inumin. Usually, ginagamit din siya pang hugas ng kamay before going inside the temple. Tapos ito, may pinasukan kaming isang bahay. Nandito sa loob yung mga ginagamit from way back. Mga pangluto, tapos ginagamit pang sunog for the insects or pests. Yan, mga baskets na pang bit-bit nila. Tinatanong nga yan ni Sophie.
Video.
I'm taking a video.
Only you're next.
Ay, walang window.
Yung walang window.
Wait, hindi pa ako tapos.
Don't usually use nail. Baby. Okay, nice smile. Okay, nice smile.
Thank you.
Later, you have to pay 2,000. But
Yeah. Sophie buying her slippers. Think you like the matcha. After that, nag-lunch muna kami kasi pupunta kami sa Hida Takayama pagkatapos. Kasama din pala namin yung ate namin dito from Araya. So ayan, bihira lang kami makakita dito ng may gulay kaya umorder na kami. Tapos yung order ka naman is unagi. Si ate dyan. This is yours, wait lang.
Ayan, ayan.
Oy, hinanap ko
Sayang,
na.
nahabol mo
Narinig
kami.
nilang lahat yun.
Daddy, kill me later.
Okay. 1, 2, 3. Mami. Lagi may ulo dun sa ilalim ng video eh.
We're gonna try the Hida beef. Kain daw tayo. Tatry daw namin yung Hida beef hand-rolled sushi. Let's go inside. Sobrang cute. Oh my gosh. So tiny. Ang cute. Yung buntot niya is yung handle. Super daming cute na pwedeng pampasalubong here. Ayan. Tapos sa kanan ah.
Ang lambot niya.
Sobrang cute. Ano ba? Ayun. Ayun lang. Love, love.